Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button. Now let's hop into today's video. Today is Self-Care Sunday, so I wanted to take a few minutes to share with you all some items that I like to use to take care of my skin. So let's go ahead and get started. So here I'm showing you guys the Superfoods Cleanser, which is an antioxidant-rich, plant-based daily cleanser. It leaves your skin hydrated, nourished, and clean, and guys, it smells amazing. And next we have the hibiscus infused vitamin C serum, and this is made with all organic ingredients, which includes the hibiscus flower, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, which is perfect for all skin types. Next we have the bright dark spot serum, which targets dark spots, dullness, hyperpigmentation, and acne marks. With this potent formula of 10% vitamin C, marigold flowers, papaya enzymes, all delivers a glowing and smooth complexion. So good morning guys. Here I'm going to be showing you all how I use these products each morning in my morning skincare routine. So if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments section down below. So now I have gotten dressed and it's time to do my hair, and then we will head out for the day. Now I know that I have not shown a hair care video in quite some time now, but I did just recently have my hair flat ironed, so I thought I would just go ahead and include this portion into the video so you can see how my hair is looking these days. I will do an updated wash day routine like on my natural hair. But for now, I'm going to have it straightened probably at least for a month. Usually it will last about 4 weeks before it's time for me to, wash it and just do it over. And as you guys can see, I am still using the henna to cover my gray. So that's why you see the kind of red highlights in my hair as well. Now that we've taken care of our skin on the outside, it's time to focus on the inside. And you guys know every year in October, I like to do a 30-day detox. And so I have the Teami 30-day detox kit here. As you can see, it is a colon tea, which is what you'll use every other night. And then we have the skinny tea, which is what I have here in my Teami tumbler. You drink the skinny tea every day. And you do this for 30 days. And guys, I promise you, you will feel so much lighter and healthier. Now we are ready to head out for the day. So I have scheduled a massage, so that's where we'll be going now. And then we'll make a couple other stops before we come back home. But you guys can see how cute my Teami cup is. And do you guys see me rocking my throwback Dooney and Burke? I pulled it out of the closet because I thought it was so cute with this dress. Now I have arrived for my 90-minute massage. Alrighty guys, so I just left my massage and it was amazing. I absolutely loved it. So now it's time for some more pampering. So I'm heading to the house. I'm going to do my nails. Instead of going to get them done, this time I think I'm going to do it myself because I know for a fact next week I want to go get them done because I have an event that I'll be attending and I want a specific color, and so I'll go then. So this week I think I'll just do it myself. So we'll go home and do nails. So yeah, we'll head that way. So we're ready to do my nails, and as you can see, I've been picking off the polish already. So I just need to remove this remaining and then we'll get started. So I picked up these little silicone molds to use these to soak off the gel polish. So I'm using some acetone, 100% acetone nail polish remover, and just soaking the cotton swab with it and then putting the little silicones over my finger, and we'll let it sit for, I don't know, maybe 5 or 10 minutes at max, and usually it comes right off like that. So now that I've gotten all of the gel polish off, I like to just go over my nails one more time with the nail polish remover to make sure I've gotten everything off. And then I'll file them to the shape that I like, and I'm just kind of buff them as well. And here I have my Madam Glam nail care system. I showed you guys this in a previous video, and I asked if you guys wanted to see me do my nails, and so many of you said yes, so I wanted to be sure to incorporate that into this video. So today I am choosing this beautiful pink color because it is October and it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I'll be having pink nails at least for this week, and then I might change it to something else as we continue on in the fall. But also, Madam Glam did include this UV LED light also that helps to cure the gel polish on your nails. So you can get a professional looking manicure with gel nails at home. So we'll start first with the base coat, then we'll add 2 layers of the nail color, and then we'll add a top coat. And once everything is set and cured, we will use the cuticle oil just to nourish our nails. And now that our nails are complete, we'll finish off with this cuticle oil, which smells so pretty, guys. And I think they turned out so nice. I'm really happy with how my nails look, but the cuticle oil does help to nourish your cuticles, your nails, and they help to complete your look with a shiny, glossy finish. So guys, leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think about my at-home manicure. I honestly am so happy with how they look. I'm really surprised. It was so super easy. I just took my time and yeah, everything turned out perfect. Okay guys, so after leaving my massage, of course there was a Ross down the street, so you know I stopped in and I did pick up a few items. They had so much Christmas decor out. It was amazing, but there were so many people in there, I couldn't really film footage to show you guys what all they had, but I will show you the items that I did pick up. So first I'll share, I did get this. This is a set of 3 tree picks in this beautiful teal color. You guys know that I have been loving teal for quite a while now, and last year I did do a Christmas tree with teal, and so when I saw these I grabbed them. I was like, oh, these are so pretty, and they were $7.99 for the set of 3, so I did pick up 2 of them. So I think they're going to look really pretty in my teal color tree, especially like either as just picks throughout the tree or as a topper. It will be gorgeous. So pretty. And you guys know how much I love using gold accents in my trees, but this time I'm going to incorporate some silver. So they had these bundles of 3 stems of eucalyptus that's covered in this glitter silver. It is so very pretty. I thought it was gorgeous. So it was $6.99 for the bundle. I thought that was a great price. They had 2 of them, so I picked them up. I think these will look really pretty in your Christmas tree as well, or maybe in just styled in a vase. It will just be really nice. So I thought they were pretty, and you guys already know if I find them in gold, they're coming home with me too. Now, speaking of gold, they had this really pretty gold garland that's on like a grapevine. It was on clearance for $9.99. The regular price was $20. And I think I showed you guys in another haul from Ross that I did get some garlands that were gold. And so this one's a little bit different, but I thought that it would blend well with those. And if not, then I may either return it, or I could kind of circle it together like this and make it into a wreath, or I could make it into like a candle base. You know, put it like this and then stack your candles in the center of it. That would be really pretty as well. So they only had 1, so I grabbed it because I do believe that the other garlands that I have will coordinate nicely with this. But because it was on sale for 50% off, I thought I'd take it. And next I picked up this, I guess it's kind of like an advent calendar or like a countdown to Christmas. So it has days 1 through 24 here. So I thought this would be fun because, you know, I have my 8-year-old, and Addison is kind of at the age where he likes to count things, and he likes to count down, like, if this, then that kind of thing. And so I think this will be fun for him. On December 1st, we'll put it here, and we'll say, now how many days do you have left until Christmas? So he can kind of count down like that. So I thought that would be pretty neat and fun for him. This has the little star has a magnet on the back of it. And this portion here is galvanized, so it sticks to it. So I thought this was really cute. I love the nativity scene there, and it kind of looks like the nativity scene that I have, so I put in my front yard every year, this portion of it. So it was $9.99, so I picked it up. I thought this would be really nice and something that, you know, we could do year after year. And if Addison gets too old where he doesn't want to do it anymore, then we can count down with our grandkids. Also, guys, I did pick up this floor runner rug. It's by Calvin Klein, and I wanted something for our entryway because I did get rid of the rug that we had there, And so for the last couple of months, we haven't had a rug in the entryway, and that's fine, but I'm ready to have something. So I picked this up. I thought it was really nice. I like that it has this kind of gray and cream look to it. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but it was $21 for this rug, and it is a 2 feet by 7 feet. So I think it's going to be perfect in my entryway. So I'll be sure to show you guys how this looks once I put it into place. Especially, I'll probably put it into place when I'm transitioning from my fall decor over to my Christmas decor. So yeah, I thought this was a good deal, so I grabbed this rug. And lastly, I picked up this set of 6 drawer pulls. So I am in the process of chalk painting this dining room table, my dining room chairs, and my hutch. And then when I'm done with that, I have a dresser that I have in my home office studio that I've been working on that I'm going to chalk paint white as well. And I wanted some drawer pulls to replace the old ones. And I thought these were so pretty. I love the hammered look on them. I thought they were gorgeous. And they were only $6.99. So I'm hoping that 6 will be enough. If not, then, I'll figure it out. But I thought these were so pretty. I couldn't leave them there. And you get a set of 6 of them for $6.99. So that's just a little over $1 each. So I thought that was a really fair price for something that's so very pretty. So, okay, guys, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. That helps me out tremendously. I've enjoyed spending time with you all today, and I hope that you have enjoyed spending time with me as well. And I do hope that you were inspired to do something for yourself. Take care of yourself, pamper yourself, treat yourself well. Alrighty, guys, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye-bye.